Hey, what's going on everybody? Dave back again. And yes, my place is still a mess. Here we are with the Kaizo Airbooth. It's about 3 days late from arriving. It's Friday. It was supposed to be here Wednesday and FedEx lost it for a couple days. This is going to be a quick just unboxing showing you what all comes in the package and going from there. As you can see, we have a nice gouge over here on the side. We have another one over here, but I have to say in general, this is really well done. You have nice heavy duty bracing on the corners and then these heavy duty straps over here. I know a couple people have already posted up videos and they didn't end up showing the unboxing. And to me, sometimes that's kind of cool to see what and how it ends up coming out of the package. So without further ado, let's jump this open and take a look. So first thing we're gonna do, snip. All right, and I have this up on top of, I don't know if you guys can see how the camera angle is, but I have 3 tubs stacked up and I've been filling these up. I've been cleaning out the hobby room, getting that all organized. As you know, I've taken 2 weeks off from streaming and everything just so I can get all of that all done. All right, so we're gonna pull that off. And we're gonna cut that off. Now this does weigh, I want to say probably around, well, the ship weight on it is 39 pounds. And it does weigh a good at least 35 pounds. So you get a letter in here. This is Bella. First, I want to sincerely thank you for your support. Kaizo is an independent brand from under ROBOTKAI. Feedback, products, and it's actually signed. So that's very cool. And I think that these actually get inspected and then they do all the strapping and everything. So you get an instruction booklet, you get some of these little dots, which I think these are to go over the screws. And I will be doing a more in-depth review of this once I've used it for a while, gotten it all set up. But you get a layout. For those wondering, I believe that this takes a 4-inch piping up at the top. You get a bag with an electrical cord. This looks like a standard PC style plug. You get a hose clamp, which are super easy. These are like 39 cents or something like that at Home Depot. In here, you get 2 more of these packing straps. They definitely want to make sure that this is nice and secure. I'm really hoping none of those gouges in the sides have affected this. I didn't hear any rattling, so that's a good thing. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to slide this out. Let's see. This is gonna come out like one of my statues. This literally has a bag inside of a bag. But so far, I am very happy with the packing. So this has handles like a PC case. We're gonna lift it out of that bag. Take that stuff and toss over there. All right. So here we are with this. You have a couple knobs up here. There is protective film on everything. We're going to have to peel all of that off. Looks like you have an on-off switch. You have I think this might be the fan control up here. Should I have read the instruction manual first? Probably. You have the on-off switch that's over here, and then you have some buckles and all of the little screw things up over here. This seems nice and secure, and yes, stupid tape stuck to my foot. This is a 4-inch right up here. So you guys get to peek at this at the same time I do. I am super stoked about this. Lots of hinges on here. So what do we got? So the website makes it sound like that the sides and the top is actually glass. It's not, it is just plexiglass. So do keep that in mind. And the hinges are basically like heavy duty vinyl tape. I don't know how long that is going to hold up. I do kind of wish that would fold all the way back. And that's going to fold up. That's going to fold up. And that is just about it, boys and girls. That's as far as I'm going to end up going today. I want to set this up and try it out and see exactly how this ends up working and everything. And then I will give you guys a deep dive into it. But I gotta get all this tape and protective coating off of here. Something I am a little concerned about though is this part, like these panels on the side. There's not much to stop that. So
If you're wanting to make this as a permanent solution for a spray booth, we may end up doing something different, but this feels like a nice stainless steel coating that's on here. It does actually feel like there's a sheet that's on there. I'm not for sure. You have your glass panel bats back here. I'm not seeing the light, and unless I'm missing it, I thought that just came with a light. So we will end up checking it out.